from breathing dust, you need to have an effective solution to capture it at the source. And I don't know about you, but I have not found a good solution until today. I've tried a number of DIY dust collection hood setups, and as I'm about to show you, none of them worked particularly well. I tried a big gulp held onto my starter lathe many years ago. It was too far from the dust generation to be effective. When I moved up to a big lathe, I tried a smaller plastic hood on a wooden base. It was mounted on a rather clunky stand, and it was difficult to move into the right position to collect dust. So here's my third solution. I mounted my big gulp on an old chair base a neighbor was throwing out. I was able to push the chair away from the back of the lathe, but I wasn't able to move the hood easily up or down. It was clunky, and the chair mount took up too much real estate, and it was always in the way when I tried to sweep up. My next solution is this wooden saddle. The hood mounted easily, and I could slide it up and down the lathe, but it had limited up or down movement. Actually, it had no up or down movement, and it blocked me from moving my headstock to the end of the lathe when bowl turning, so I had to completely dismantle it. Then I came up with this solution with this little U-joint, and it slipped in fairly easily. I could move it up and back a little bit. I couldn't move it up or down, and when I'm on the other side of the lathe, it's awkward to take off. So when I want to take it off for some reason, like if I want to move the headstock down, or I don't want it in a picture or something, you know, I lift it up, and then I lean over the lathe and try to gently set it down, but I wind up chipping the dust collection gate. The hose winds up getting disconnected. So this solution has not worked well with me, and that's my last of my DIY solutions. So enough of the DIY solutions. I was excited to get this package from Woodturners Wonders with their Dust Track system. Full disclosure, I didn't pay for this system. I've had a relationship with Woodturners Wonders for several years, and they were nice enough to send me this at no cost in order to try it out. And this looks like the perfect solution that I need for dust collection with my Trac Vac system. So looks like it's well packaged for shipping. It's got the hood, it's got the flexible hose, and it's got a track system that'll mount to my lathe. So let me show you. We're going to hook this up and give it a test run. And it's also got a set of detailed instructions for installation on different lathes, and it comes with a 4-inch hose with a thumb lock adjustment on it, which I really like. So it's so much more convenient than one that requires a wrench. And then of course it has some handles. So I have the track securely mounted with their three brackets. This just slides on with these carriage bolts, fit easily into this track. This is it's been a fairly easy system to install. These carriage bolts just slide easily into the track. And there we go. You install the track so maybe 12 inches from the end of the lathe, and that way I've got room to move it, even the hood, even if I turn at the end of the lathe. Slide this down. Going to secure it with these handles. Makes it real easy to adjust it. I can lean over the lathe with these long handles and making adjustments much easier than, say, with a star knob. And with these handles, it's very easy to maneuver this and get it into location wherever I want to place it. Let me show you the hood that comes with it. They call this the bell, and it just just slides over, so I can set this thing up horizontally, or I can set it up vertically, depending on the task that I want to do. These are very rigid, flexible, but rigid, so they hold in place. I haven't tightened these down much. Once you tighten it down, you know, it makes it very easy to just maneuver it in position. The back of the bell holder is plastic and it is threaded. The tricky part is, instead of righty-tighty, it's lefty-loosey, so it takes a little bit of effort to get that 4-inch hose threaded on there. The bell has a threaded fitting, and I was able to thread this on, and I think it's going to hold it securely, but they do furnish a nice hose clamp with a thumb screw adjustment that I will keep handy in case I need it, but I think this is going to hold on just fine. Alright, we're going to do a little sanding. I'm going to use some sanding lubricant here, a little DIY mineral oil beeswax. Keeps the dust down, fills the pores with a slurry. I'm using my new Woodturners Wonders Trac dust collector hood. And actually with this Trac Vac, it works better if you sand underneath here. You get the stream pointing to the opening better. Maybe you can see the dust. But if you do it over top, it's bringing it around and some of it's going to miss it. So it does work better if you do the sanding low.